When these two dogs started fighting over a piece of meat, the owner did something that left everyone shocked. He didn't divide the meat equally and gave a very small piece to the black dog. Seeing this, the black dog became very sad, and the next day, the same injustice happened again when the owner gave a large piece to the white dog and once again left the black dog with a tiny portion. Tears almost welled up in the black dog's eyes, which prompted the white dog to do something special. The next day, when the owner came to feed them, the white dog refused to eat and gently touched the black dog with his paw, as if he were telling the owner to feed his friend first. After that, whenever good food was served, the white dog would repeat this gesture to remind the owner not to be unfair. These smart dogs definitely deserve a like.